Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor, associate and the professor vacancies as well as the faculty vacancies also from the four different type of colleges. Okay, so here the with only PG, with UGSNet or without UGSNet, with PhD or without PhD, the opportunities are there and the multiple vacancies are there from the multiple departments. So let us see the details regarding these four colleges advertisements. Before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGSNet December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here the first college is New Prince Sri Bhavani Arts and Science College from Chennai. Here the contact number as well as the email ID is also provided, and they require the wanted. Okay, they require assistant professor or a lady lecturers for commerce and English only, and the candidates who are having the additionally PhD or SLET or NET will be preferred. That means they are not mentioned that these qualifications are mandatory. Okay, so if you are having the post graduation in the commerce and the English, then you may apply to this one. So you may send your resume to this provide mail ID, or else if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, you may contact this provided contact number. Okay guys, and coming to the second college, so it is the Setkari Shikshan Mandal Pune. It requires the professors, associate, assistant professor and the faculty for the polytechnic, and the departments are mechanical, civil, electrical, computers and the electronics and telecommunication. Okay, and coming to here, the qualification and experience, the candidate should have the relevant qualifications and experience as per the AICTE and the state government norms. Okay, so due to the COVID, you may email your resume. Okay, so here the email ID is not provided in this advertisement. So for that one, you may open the official website of this college, that is jspm.edu.in. So it is the jspm.edu.in, that means it is the official website. So after entering into this official website, then click on the contact us. Then you will be directed to this web page. Okay, contact us, and then fill up your name, email ID, mobile number and the message, whatever the message you want to put, and then click on the submit resume. Then you can browse your resume and then you may upload. So if you're having any queries, here the contact numbers are also there, so you may contact to this number. Okay, so it is a requirement regarding the this college guys. Fine. And coming to the third college, it is Punjab Institute of Technology, Rajpura, and here the walk-in interview is there for the chemistry department. Okay, and here the lecturer basis requirement. Okay, only one vacancy is there, and the date, time and venue 25th March 2021 morning 10 o'clock onwards, and the TADA will not be provided separately. Okay, so and the interested candidates can submit the complete applications along with the testimonials or certificate either by email. Here the email ID is provided, or by hand in admin office at PAT. Okay. So it is the third college. And coming to the fourth one, that is Delhi Institute of Technology and Management, and here it requires urgently professor and associate and assistant professor for BTech CSC, mechanical, EC and civil. Candidate should conservant in AI, automation and robotic and IoT teaching. So apply with the detailed biodata to passport size photo, testimonials, Aadhaar and PAN card at college reception. Okay, so within a week. Right? And here the contact number is provided. So if you're having any queries, then you may contact to this number. Okay, so if you want to enter into the official website, then just search for the Delhi Institute of Technology and Management in the Google. You will be directed to the official website of this college. Okay, so total these are the different assistant professor, associate professor and the professor vacancies from the Delhi Institute of Technology, and next one is Punjab Institute of Technology, and the next one is the Setkari Shikshan Mandal from Pune, and the next one is New Prince Sri Bhavani Arts and Science College. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. and subscribe the channel to get the more notifications. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide